Have you ever wondered what are the best ingredients for a diffuser, or how do you make a diffuser mixture? By the end of this video, I will give you 10 incredible diffuser recipes in 90 seconds or less. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Stacy Paulson, essential oil educator and certified health coach. Click the subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified every time I upload a brand new video. Stick around to the end. I have a really great bonus gift that will help you effectively use essential oils that you're not going to want to miss. So here are the top 10 diffuser recipes in 90 seconds or less. This first group of diffuser recipes will be amazing for your home. Number 1, essential oils for cough and congestion diffuser recipes, as well as essential oil diffuser recipes for colds. This one is 2 drops tea tree, 1 drop peppermint, 1 drop eucalyptus, and 3 drops of lemon. 2, essential oils for allergies diffuser recipes contain 1 drop each of peppermint, lemon, lavender, and tea tree. Say goodbye to those sneezes. Number 3 is my essential oil diffuser recipes for clean air. This is lemon, green mandarin, and juniper berry, just 2 drops of each. Remember, you can save this video for future reference just in case I'm going too fast. Now, you might be thinking, is there a diffuser recipe for sleep or relaxation? Why, yes. This next set will get you through long days. Number 4, essential oil diffuser recipes for sleep. Just 2 to 3 drops each of lavender and cedarwood is my absolute favorite. Number 5, you can also try my diffuser recipes for relaxation. Use 2 drops serenity, 2 drops of wild orange, and 1 drop of cedarwood. Number 6 is called flute for immune support. These are tea tree oil diffuser recipes containing 2 drops of tea tree, 2 drops of frankincense, 1 drop of On Guard lemon, and oregano. Be careful with that oregano. Number 7 are my diffuser recipes with vanilla. Sorry, I couldn't just stick to one because they all make my home smell delicious. So take a screenshot of this or pause the video because here's my favorite vanilla recipes. Pause, breathe. Let me know in the comments if there's a specific diffuser recipe you're looking for. All right, after these last 3, which are seasonal diffuser recipes for spring, fall, and winter, I'll share with you my essential oils guidebook that you can download with the top essential oil uses and why the oils listed in my diffuser recipes deliver evidence-based results. Plus, the bonus is I've added links to all of these recipes in the free essential oils guidebook. Number 8, essential oil diffuser recipes for spring. Fresh rain. This is 3 drops lemon, a drop of vetiver, and a drop of coriander. Number 9, diffuser recipes for fall. In the Essential Oils Guidebook, I put 4 weeks of diffuser recipes for fall. My favorite right now is called Sweater Weather with black spruce, cypress, and vanilla, just 1 to 2 drops each. And number 10 are diffuser recipes for winter. The most popular is called Sunny 365. It's a little uplift during those winter blues. 2 drops each of bergamot, wild orange, and grapefruit. Of course, it's great any time of the year, and I'll link up a video with why citrus oils are so uplifting. Those are my 10 diffuser recipes in 90 seconds. Did I do it? And as promised, here's how you can get my free essential oils guidebook with my top essential oil uses, and it contains all of these recipes. You'll find the link down in the description below. And if you're new to essential oils or want to learn more, please join me in my weekly online live Essential Oils Made Easy class, or you can join the exclusive lifestyle upgrade experience in my Facebook group, where we'll learn all the tips and tricks to using essential oils effectively, plus my anti-aging tips and my healthy lifestyle habit hacks. Click the subscribe button and hit the bell so you can be notified every time I upload a brand new video like the one coming up next, how to clean an oil diffuser. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. All right, coming up next, you can watch my video on essential oils and emotions, learn how to master your mood.